one. Not expecting to get a whole lot of fresh content or anything out of the flights tonight. Mostly I'm just out here trying to get some practice. Haven't been flying a whole lot lately. I changed up the spring tension in my Tango 2 radio, and I also swapped around the arming and pre-arm kind of switches on it, because just trying to get used to the radio. So really, just out here trying to use up some batteries, practice. Oh, and supposedly the sunset's going to be kind of extra reddish and orange tonight because there's a bunch of smoke in the air from all those forest fires out west. So anyway, let's get to it and see how it goes.
Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. And the days go by like a strand in the wind, in the web that is long. I begin again, said to my friend, baby, nothing else matters. He was no more than a baby then. Well, he seemed broken hearted, something within him. But the moment that I first lay eyes on him, all alone on the edge of 17, just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Say ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. Well, I went today, maybe I will go again tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, well, the music there, well, it was hauntingly familiar. Well, I see you do it when I try to do for me. Well, there words on me poet and a voice on me fire and a melody, and nothing else mattered. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. Just like the white-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. The clouds never
Well, there you are. Hello. Found a little grass, I see.
So with the slow, graceful flow of age, I went forth with an age-old desire to please on the edge of 17.
All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for me tonight. All my batteries are spent, and I did discover one thing, and that is if you crash in tall grass and you're relying on your beeper, having those really loud cicadas, which is probably all you can hear right now, makes it a little harder to hear your beeper. Oh, well, turns out, even though it was a pretty warm, muggy evening, it was still beautiful out here. And I think I'm getting used to the radio, and I've got it set the way I like it. Changing the switches was a great idea. So, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. What? I didn't record any of that. That was an awesome flight, too. Dang it. Oh, one more quick thing before I go. If you like that little tagline / logo thing I put at the end of my videos that says change your view, fly FPV, and if you get the double meaning of it, even better. But if you like that and want to have it on a t-shirt, don't forget that you can get one, just like the one I'm wearing right now. And you can also support the FPV Freedom Coalition in the process. To do that, just head over to the FPVFC's website and their store, so fpvfc.org/store, and pick one out for yourself.